Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. This is part 2 of how to clean alloy wheels the right way. In this video we'll cover the best products, protective steps and extra tips to maintain that shine. Rinsing and drying for a spotless finish. A proper rinse ensures no cleaner residue stays behind to cause streaks or corrosion. Start at the top of the wheel and let water flow downward, carrying dirt away naturally. Check for leftover suds by running your clean hand over the surface. Repeat rinsing if you feel any slippery spots. These mean leftover product. Drying is just as crucial. Water spots happen when minerals in tap water dry on the wheel. Use a dry microfiber towel to gently blot the wheel, flipping it often to avoid redepositing dirt. For extra shine, follow up with a quick detail spray. Pro tip: clean one wheel at a time from rinse to dry. This prevents cleaner from drying out while you work. Maintenance tips to keep alloy wheels clean longer. Cleaning alloy wheels isn't just about making them shine today, it's about keeping them looking new for years. With a few smart habits you can cut down on scrubbing and protect your wheels from damage. Let's break down the best ways to extend that fresh out of the shop appearance. The role of wheel sealants. A good wheel sealant acts like an invisible shield. It repels brake dust, water and road grime so dirt slides off instead of sticking. Think of it as rain repellent for your wheels. Less build-up means fewer deep cleanse. How it works. Sealants fill microscopic pores in the wheel's surface, creating a slick barrier. Brake dust can't bond as tightly, so a quick rinse removes most of it. Application frequency. Reapply every 3 to 6 months depending on driving conditions. Harsh winters or frequent off-road trips demand more frequent touch-ups. Best products. Look for synthetic polymer sealants or ceramic-based coatings. Avoid wax-based products, they don't last as long under high heat. Pro tip: apply sealant right after a thorough cleaning. Dirty wheels trap grime under the coating, defeating the purpose. Avoiding common cleaning mistakes. Even with the best intentions, small errors can undo your hard work. Here's what to watch for and how to fix it. Using abrasive tools. Steel wool or stiff brushes might seem effective, but they leave microscopic scratches. Over time, these tiny grooves collect more dirt, making wheels look dull. Fix. Stick to soft bristle brushes and microfiber cloths. If you need extra scrubbing power, try a dedicated wheel cleaning mitt. Neglecting inner wheel surfaces. The front of your wheels might look clean, but the inner barrel hides the worst grime buildup. Ignoring it speeds up corrosion and can affect wheel balance. Fix. Use a long-handled brush or a wand attachment for your pressure washer. Hit these areas every 2-3 washes. Skipping regular rinses. Waiting until your wheels look dirty means fighting hardened brake dust. Salt and road chemicals sit longer, increasing the risk of etching. Fix. Rinse wheels weekly, even if you don't fully clean them. A 30-second spray prevents contaminants from bonding. Using household cleaners. Dish soap or all-purpose cleaners strip protective coatings and dry out rubber. They're also less effective against brake dust. Fix. Invest in a pH-balanced wheel cleaner. Your wheels and your wallet will thank you later. By combining sealants with careful cleaning habits, you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying wheels that look brand new. Whether you're prepping for a car show or just want to skip the elbow grease, these steps keep the shine lasting longer. How to handle tough stains and corrosion. Even with regular cleaning, alloy wheels face stubborn stains and early signs of corrosion. Brake dust cements itself onto the surface, and road salt accelerates wear. But with the right approach, you can tackle these issues before they cause permanent damage. Removing brake dust buildup. Brake dust isn't just dirt. It's a mix of metal shavings, carbon, and adhesives from your brake pads. Over time, it bonds to the wheel's finish like glue, especially if left wet. Here's how to break it down safely. Use a dedicated brake dust cleaner. These formulas contain chelating agents that dissolve metal particles without harsh acids. Spray it on dry wheels to avoid splashing. Let it sit but not dry. Give the cleaner 2 to 3 minutes to work. If it starts drying, Mist the area with water to reactivate it. Scrub gently. A soft bristle brush or microfiber wash mitt loosens the dust. Focus on stubborn spots around lug nuts and spokes. Rinse thoroughly. Leftover cleaner residue can attract more dust. For textured or matte finish wheels, avoid stiff brushes. Swap to a foam applicator to prevent surface damage. Treating light corrosion. Spotting white haze or tiny pits. That's early-stage corrosion. It happens when salt, acid, or moisture breaches the wheel's protective layer. Catching it early saves you from costly refinishing later. Step-by-step fix. Clean the area first. Use a pH-neutral wheel soap to remove surface grime. Dry completely. Water traps corrosion under treatments. Polish with a mild abrasive. A non-gel metal polish applied with a microfiber cloth buffs out minor oxidation. Use circular motions, then wipe clean. Apply anti-corrosion spray. Products like wheel-specific ceramic coatings seal the metal. Spray evenly, then buff after 60 seconds. Avoid sandpaper or steel wool, even for tough spots. They strip protective coatings and leave scratches that worsen corrosion. For tar or tree sap, dab a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, 70% or less, on a cloth and hold it against the stain for 30 seconds. Wipe away gently, never scrub, as this spreads the residue. Pro tip. After treating stains or corrosion, reapply a sealant. It buys you time between deep cleanings. Clean alloy wheels do more than look good. They protect your investment and keep your car performing at its best. By following the right steps, using proper tools, and sticking to a routine, you can avoid costly damage and long scrubbing sessions. A quick rinse here, a careful brush there, and a quality sealant go a long way. Treat your wheels well, and they'll stay shiny for years. Ready to give them the care they deserve? Start with a thorough clean today, then keep up with regular maintenance. Your car and your future self will thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.